Hi guys and welcome to my channel. And if you got problems with the sound with the HDMI cable connected to your TV from your PS3 and it's coming no sound, and you tried everything, like you tried to change the sound settings to HDMI and nothing worked, so I think I found a solution for this. It's not the Ps3's problem, it's your TV. So it will probably change automatically while watching something else like DVD or something, and change to those standard. So here's a solution. I just find it right now. Right now I found it, and now I will show you guys how to fix this. So you have to go to your system menu, your TV settings, and then go to general settings and HDMI settings, and once you're in there, it's saying, so mine was on analog, and I'm not sure. See, no sound, nothing, like, see, nothing. I mean, I was frustrating. It was so annoying. Look, no sound. Just go on my menu, my TV settings and HDMI settings, and change there. There we go. Please drop a like if you enjoyed, and comment below if I saved your life. So bye guys, subscribe for more videos.